last seal option we want to go over today is the double mechanical seal for the Waukesha Universal 3 pump. First, you've got your shaft O-ring. Install that with lubricant. Get your adjusting ring. Note the two flats. Align with the two flats of the shaft. Align that and install. Next is the rotating seal O-ring. Installed on the adjusting ring with lubricant. Next, we have the rotating seal O-ring and rotating seal. Install the O-ring with lubricant. Install on the adjusting ring. Make sure your tabs are aligned. Get your seal housing O-ring. Install into the body facing down. Seal carrier. The tab slots facing up towards you with your seal carrier tab. These tabs facing down towards the pump bench. Install in the slot. Install your flush housing. Note the flush ports. Align with the cutouts of the body. Give it a wiggle. Make sure your bolt holes align. Install your bolts. Next, we have your inner seal O-ring. It sits inside your pump flush housing and the wave spring tuck in there. Wipe with lubricant. Install your wave spring. Your seal has 3 mounting points. Install 2 of your bolts. Tuck your seal under those 2. Install your third. Using an 1/8 inch T-handle Allen wrench, tighten hand tight. Check your inner seal. Make sure your spring is seated. Everything is in play and there's no binding. With the body on the bench, product side facing up, get your stationary seal O-ring and your stationary seal. Install your stationary seal O-ring with lubricant. Install your stationary seal with your alignment pins. Check for spring tension. Now you're ready to install your body onto your gear case with your double mechanical product seals installed on your U3 pump. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.